Hey everybody, Chris here to show you how to properly clean, wash, and wax your vehicle. Today we'll be using items from our Pro X1 line of appearance and detailing products. Pro X1 is available exclusively at Reilly Auto Parts and offers modern detailing chemical formulas to help keep any car looking its absolute best. And as a reminder, it's always a good idea to test appearance products on a less visible area before you use them, just to make sure they're compatible with the finish you're using them on and won't cause any damage. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Find a place out of direct sunlight to do the wash and wax. The sun's heat will cause soap and water to dry quickly, which can leave water spots and deposits. Your wheels are likely to be the dirtiest part of your vehicle, so washing them first will allow any chemical overspray or dirt from the wheels to be rinsed away as you continue to wash. We'll clean one wheel at a time using Pro X1 wheel cleaner and wand. Just make sure each wheel is cool to the touch before you begin. Start by spraying the wheel cleaner freely over the entire surface of the wheel. Then let it soak for 30 seconds. You'll see the color of spray turn purple as it works to dissolve brake dust, dirt, and grime. Now I'll use the wheel wand to agitate and release those particles, especially in the hard to reach areas. Use a tire cleaner and brush to scrub your tire, making sure you follow the instructions on your tire cleaner product. Once that's done, use your hose and nozzle to rinse the tire and wheel thoroughly with a strong stream of water. Now we're ready to wash the body of the vehicle. If you'll be hand washing, you'll need 2 buckets, one for soapy water and one for clean water. Add 3 ounces of Pro X1 car wash for every gallon of water in your soapy bucket, and use a strong stream of water to create the desired level of foam. Fill your other bucket with clean water and make sure the water stays clear and clean throughout the wash, emptying and refilling it as often as necessary. Use your hose and nozzle to rinse your car thoroughly, starting at the top and working your way down. Do your best to keep the vehicle wet as you wash so no spots form on the paint. Wash your vehicle one section at a time with your wash mitt, starting at the top and slowly working your way around and down. If you're using a foaming sprayer, add at least 6 ounces of wash and up to 12 ounces for more foam to a 32-ounce foam sprayer bottle and top it off with water. We're using our Pro X1 mitt and sponge for this wash. The mitt for a majority of the vehicle and the sponge for the wheel wells and lower edge of the body where grime deposits and dirt will be greater. Use your bucket of clean water to rinse out your mitt or sponge frequently so it doesn't hold dirt and can cause tiny scratches in your clear coat. When you get to that lower edge of the vehicle's body, it's possible that you'll need a bug or tar remover if the soap isn't enough. These products are designed to soften and remove stuck-on road tar, insects, and other stubborn contaminants to prevent paint damage caused by excessive scrubbing. Give the whole vehicle one final rinse from top to bottom once it's all been washed. Gently wipe the vehicle dry with a microfiber drying towel or chamois to prevent water spots from forming. If after washing and drying your vehicle, you notice small bumps where tar, sap, or other substances have bonded to the paint, before waxing, you can use a clay bar and spray detailer to rub these bonded contaminants off the surface. Be sure to follow the instructions of the clay bar you choose and ensure the clay bar always stays lubricated by applying spray detailer or clay bar lubricant while you work. Once everything is clean and dry, it's time to wax. We'll give our Pro X1 ceramic wax a good shake before spraying it on and work into sections about 2 feet by 2 feet. After spraying a small amount of product onto the surface, use a microfiber towel to spread and buff the wax until the area is completely dry and shiny. Be sure not to let the product set before spreading and buffing. Work your way around the vehicle, changing towels as needed. Be careful not to get any wax on plastic trim or any flat or matte finish. If needed, once the waxing is done, use a damp microfiber towel or reapplication of the spray to buff out any streaks. Pro X1 ceramic wax takes about 12 hours to fully cure, so avoid heavy rain during that period if possible. Once the wax is cured, you can also use your Pro X1 detailer to help keep your vehicle looking great between washes. Using this detailer spray and a microfiber cloth will allow you to quickly clean finished surfaces and remove contaminants without harming the wax. No detail is complete without cleaning your windows. Clean, clear glass not only makes your car look great, but can also help keep you safe on the road by providing maximum visibility. Our Pro X1 glass cleaner can be sprayed or wiped on. And once any grime is removed from the glass, just dry the windows with a clean microfiber towel. Work your way around until all windows are clean inside and out. Finally, if you choose, you can apply tire shine to return the blackness and luster to your tire for a like new appearance. Dry the wheel and sidewall of the tire with a clean microfiber towel. Now we'll lightly spray the sidewall with your Pro X1 tire shine and let it sit for 1 to 3 minutes. You should see any uneven appearance of the spray become a more even, glossy finish. Do your best to not get any tire shine on the tread of the tire, as this can cause traction loss and poor braking performance if used excessively. Wipe any excess tire shine spray from the wheel rim with a clean microfiber towel. Repeat these steps for each wheel and tire. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional detailer in your area. And be sure to subscribe to see all of our new video content. We'll see you again soon.